Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make citric acid powder at home. First, ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area with proper safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Safety is paramount when handling even common kitchen ingredients in new ways. This method allows you to transform simple lemons into a versatile powder for various uses. We will walk through each step carefully so you can achieve good results safely. Gathering your supplies is the next crucial step before we begin the actual process. You will need about 5 to 6 large, fresh lemons, along with 3 tablespoons of food-grade calcium carbonate. Additionally, have 1 cup of distilled water and a small amount of strong white vinegar on hand. Essential tools include a juicer, a fine mesh sieve, a medium-sized saucepan, and several coffee filters for effective separation. Now, let's prepare the lemon concentrate, which forms the base of our citric acid powder. First, juice all 5 or 6 lemons thoroughly, collecting the liquid in a clean bowl. Next, strain this fresh lemon juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp and seeds, ensuring a clearer liquid. Gently heat the strained juice in a saucepan over medium-low heat, reducing its volume by approximately 1/2. Remember to avoid vigorous boiling to preserve its delicate compounds. With your lemon concentrate prepared, it is time to initiate the citric acid formation process. Allow the concentrated lemon juice to cool slightly before moving forward. Gradually stir in 3 tablespoons of calcium carbonate powder. You will observe a white, powdery precipitate forming. This substance is calcium citrate, the precursor to our citric acid. Carefully filter this mixture through several layers of coffee filters to effectively collect all the calcium citrate precipitate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.